Hi, it's Heather Smith here, and what you're looking at is my XBert screen, and you're looking at some of the alerts that have popped up. And I thought I would just show you a couple of the same type of alerts that have popped up to show you what they mean. So in this particular instance, I've done sort of a date range to pick these up. And what it is, it's highlighting an inactive account. So it's highlighted here in blue. Let me see if I just circle over them. I've got 2 inactive accounts. So this is actually a great way. It's really important to have a streamlined and tight and meaningful chart of account. And that forms the structure of the financial reports that you produce. So I'm very keen on getting a really great chart of accounts. So what you would do is you would review what's actually happening here. Now in this particular case for these ones, you can see the first one there is this one here, public speaking cost of sales, and unfortunately due to COVID I've not had any cost of sales related to public speaking because I've not been able to go anywhere. So that's understandable and I'm aware, but I'm not going to do anything about it because hopefully one day we'll be able to travel again. Now the other one is an interesting one, and it's interest expense, and I went actually back and I reviewed it, and I hardly incur any interest expense. It's just 1 or 2 cents here and there every year. But again, I'm just going to include it just in case there is an issue there. But if someone, a business comes and says, look, we should review our chart of accounts, or we would like advisory, or we would like you to structure our accounts and work with us on something, one of the first things you have to do is review the chart of accounts. So you can set your expert up to go off and do the hard work for you, and you come in and look at this and then sort of have an active conversation, either with the client, or if you are the client, with the accountant or bookkeeper, about whether these accounts are relevant, whether you want to keep them in the chart of accounts or whether you want to refine your chart of accounts and deal with them and perhaps remove them or reassign them. So here I do want to just show you what would happen under here. If I click here on details, it actually opens up into another screen and it gives you some further information about it, what the issue is, for example, and tips on resolving it, which is kind of just what I went through now. And if I went through, I'm not going to do this, but if I click on the resolve now, it'll actually take me directly into my accounting software and put me in the place where I can actually deal with it. So a nice quick way, great quick way to actually deal with this particular issue, and support your clients in actually producing financial statements that are meaningful. I'm back at the home screen. I clicked on Experts and Tasks to get back to the home screen, and I am going to resolve this issue. I've already checked on it, and I can click here in the file area and we'll mark it as complete. I could put a comment in here, reviewed and will keep. Okay, I'm going to copy that comment so I can put it in the other one. Reviewed and will keep, and I am going to mark that as complete. Excellent. And that's gone. And this one again, I am going to click here to file it, paste, reviewed and will keep, and complete. And there you can see I've sorted those 2 issues. So both alerts me, gives me something to think about, and a great way to assist your clients in refining an excellent, usable, meaningful chart of accounts.